Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Fluxer on desktop PC in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First off, go ahead and open any browser and then search for Fluxer. Now you want to click this official link, which is fluxer.app. So let's click this. Then on their website, you'll see the option download for Windows. So you can click the drop down to choose which is appropriate for you. So let me just choose this first option. Then you'll see at the top that it's now starting to download. So let's wait for it for a bit. All right, now once it's finished, go ahead and click this. Choose run. And then wait for Fluxer to install. All right, now it's connecting, and just like that, it's already installed on your computer. Easy. That's it. Now you know how to install Fluxer on desktop PC in just a few simple steps. Easy, right? So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.